Good afternoon, the world's best viewers. You're on Polystitch channel. Not a long time ago, I sewed tulle curtains, and there was a piece 30 centimeters wide and 4 centimeters long. So I began to wonder how to use it. To begin with, let's tear it apart. Feel free to do it with hands and let your emotions out if needed. We will make the strips about 15 centimeters wide. I took a piece of a thick raincoat fabric as an auxiliary fabric. Someone wanted to sew a jacket out of it, but never went through with it. So this piece is enough for me to cut two pieces measuring 42 by 42 centimeters. Let's begin our work at the sewing machine. We fold the prepared strip so that there are no open cuts, and we will lay a line in the middle of the resulting tape. Another small detail. You will need to loosen the tension of the upper thread so that later this workpiece can be easily assembled in an accordion shape only by pulling the threads. The ribbons are prepared. Then we'll begin to prepare the base. It is necessary to outline the middle of a large detail. We will start sewing from the middle in a circle. We fix the end of the tape and begin to lay it in a spiral. We sew without hurry. We straighten the folds beautifully. After the first round has been laid, we raise the ruffles and sew the next row close to the first strip. Look, I finished sewing on the first strip and moved on to the next. It reminds me a bit of a hydrangea flower. All work is going fast enough. We straighten the ruffles and sew. Of course, there are many ways of using the fine fabrics. This one is the fastest and most rational. All the edges of the fabric are well hidden and nothing crumbles. Many of you have probably already seen decorative pillows looking like dahlia flowers. But there is so much fuss, cutting the squares, folding them, stitching them, and so on. In this option, you don't have to do so much work, but the results look stunning with a simple technique. By the way, I'm not a supporter of cutting a good fabric, and if possible, I will make the most of the size that I already have. We will decorate the prepared details onto a pillow. To begin with, we will zigzag the side to which we will sew the zipper. We set the desired line on the sewing machine and sew. After that, we will sew the zipper with the two parts of the pillow. Then we fold this blank and lie a line around the perimeter. Zigzag the open edge right away. After that, we will cut the corners and turn out the workpiece. I did not even expect that the color of the veil and the fabric base would match like this. A very beautiful, delicate, airy cloud. I've noticed that children like such things very much. It's got an unusual texture, color, shape. All this makes the child awaken his creative imagination, look at crafted things, and develop thinking. A girl can imagine herself as a fairy princess in a magic garden, or the Snow Queen. And a boy might picture that these are raging waves and he is a brave captain of the ship. Parents, take away the child's phone. Do not deprive him of his childhood. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel, press that like button to support us, and write comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.